In this video, I will show you how to change Gmail profile picture from Android. Firstly, as you want to take that selection, the main point right here, it is simply to go and open up that application, then simply tap on your profile icon on your right upper side and go for Google account session, which is above that profile. Then simply go personal information by scrolling on your right side on the second selection, then scroll down again, and as you can see right here on the first side on basic info, you have photo or profile picture side. Simply tap on it and go set profile photo. As you can see, you can take photo right now or you can choose it from your gallery. I'm gonna go and choose it from my gallery because it's much more easier for me, and I will choose this picture. Then when you're ready, simply go accept, and yeah, setting profile photo, uploading session yet. And right now it will need to take some time to simply get the newest profile picture which you have got on your Gmail session.